Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera grid on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Camera. Next, in Camera, you want to go down to the Composition section and tap on Grid. So in here you can tap on the switch to turn camera grid on or off. Okay, so if I turn it on and if I go back to my home screen and open up the camera app, you can see in my preview window there is grid divided up into 9 rectangles. Okay, so if I go back into settings and switch it off, then you can see now in my camera preview screen they are no longer showing a grid. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or turn off camera grid on the iPhone 13 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.